Hey guys, how are we doing this morning? So yesterday we were in lesson number 5 and we were working with our multiplying of fractions and mixed numbers. So we did the first two problems together. Let's just kind of remind you of what was going on here. The big phrase that we were using was cross division. So remember, when we look at cross division, we're looking on a diagonal. So someone upstairs and someone downstairs, and we're dividing. In other words, we're simplifying. So sometimes cross dividing is also known as cross simplifying as well. And division and simplifying are kind of synonyms there. So we saw that in question number 1. Hey, we can divide them both by 7. So we did. We can divide them both by 2. So we did. And then we multiplied across. Question 2, we needed improper fractions first. And then it was the same routine. So we got ourselves our improper fractions. Remember, we multiplied and we added. So there's 8/5. And then again, we multiplied 8 to the 25 ninths. Again, we did cross division. If there was any, but there wasn't with the 8 and the 9, but there was with the 5 and the 25. Okay, so now we're doing division. Division is similar, but it's got an extra step. All right. So when we divide the fractions, the phrase here actually is we actually multiply by the reciprocal. And this is a very fancy mathematical word to mean, hey, flip the fraction. And so here's the whole idea behind this. If you want to take half of something, all right, take half of something, that means we're going to divide it by 2. So that's the whole idea, is if you want half, all right, half of something, half is the exact same as dividing by 2. So multiplying something by a half, all right, because half of, in math, the word of means to multiply. Taking half of, so that's a multiplication, is the same thing as dividing by a 2. And so remember, when we divide, we're going to flip the fraction. So 2 is really 2 over 1. And what happens when you flip 2 over 1? You get 1/2. So that's the whole idea behind it. So let's go into question number 3. The first thing we do need to do is we need to rewrite the problem. So it's 7/8 times, and then we're going to flip. That's that reciprocal. So we've got ourselves 8/15 now. So yeah, dividing fractions is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. Now it's a multiplication problem. Same thing we've been doing. Cross division, oh, you bet. Let's divide them both by 8 so we get 1s. Check out your cross division with your 7 or 15. Oops, it's gonna bring you back here. Wait, there is none. Yeah, so 7 multiply across 7 times 1, hello. 7, 1 times 15, hello. 15, and there we are. 7/15 is your answer here. So let's look at question number 4, which is very similar, all right, to question number 2, all right, in the fact that we do need improper fractions first. So we're going to change first. So 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. So we've got 5/3 divided by 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11, so it's 11/3. So again, improper fractions. But now it's a division problem. So because it's a division problem, I need to rewrite it. So that's where we leave the first fraction alone and we multiply by the reciprocal. Now it's business. So any cross division? Yeah, look at your 3's. All right, we can divide them both by 3's, so we get 1's. Multiply across, 5 times 1 is 5. 1 times 11 is 11, so we do get 5/11. All right. Sorry, I wasn't too happy with what that 5 looked like. There we go. So again, lots of similarities, but division requires an extra step where you have to rewrite the problem. All right. I'm running into the issue again where, oh, I'm sorry. So yeah, jump on, check that homework website, see what's next for you on your things to do. I'm going to figure out where my stop recording button has gone and see if I can get it to stop. I don't know what's going on anymore. Oh, there it is. So I got it now. All right. We'll see you guys. Bye.